This year, we have spent more time than ever at home. It's been our school, workspace, gym, restaurant, and much more. It's no surprise this year has definitely impacted what the buyers are looking for when they are home hunting. My name is Gary Gurwal with Cornerstone Home Lending. Today we are going to be talking about 5 things the buyers are looking for going into 2021. Number 1, home office. It should come as no surprise that home office is on top of the list. Over 42% of US workforce work from home this year. A quiet workspace is just not a want anymore, it's a need. Number 2, spacious backyard. The buyers that have or wanting to have a family, a backyard is a close second on the priority list. Backyard with good balance of outdoor space, covered patio space are definitely attracting buyers. Number 3, plenty of storage area. This year, the buyers have stockpiled on essentials. We all remember the toilet paper crisis, right? With more and more people discovering the benefits of stockpiling, storage space is must-have. A nice pantry, kitchen cabinets, and a lot of bathroom storage are the things that could attract potential buyers. Number 4, cozy living area. Let's be honest, we all watched way more Netflix than we anticipated this year. Movie nights became a regular occasion, and if your home was anything like mine, someone was always watching something in the living room. So whether an added movie room or just a family-friendly living area space, buyers are definitely keeping their eyes peeled on these features. Number 5, close proximity to essentials. Last but not least, buyers are home hunting for homes closer to everything they need. They are focused on homes that are closer to their family members, grocery stores, work, and school. I personally believe the buyers are mainly motivated to move closer to their family member, and we'll see a lot of buyers trying to snag up a home within few minutes of listing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.